ChatGPT, create a divine artwork. That was easy. Most of human history consisted of humans making art. Paintings took years, music took talent, and writing took imagination. But now, with the introduction of AI, anyone with a keyboard can easily conjure up anything. Images, songs, stories, and videos. And it's not like it's hard either. You just type in a few words and you have your prompt and AI will generate it. If you don't like it, you just type in a new prompt. AI has changed creativity from something that we practice into something we can simply request. And that raises a question: if a machine can create art, what are the effects of the AI on our creativity? Do you feel like the use of AI is killing creativity?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think it is, because I feel like people a lot recently have just turned to using AI instead of just trying to figure things out themselves.
Definitely, because you see all of that AI slop on TikTok and Tikstagram and all them places. So yeah, it's definitely ruining the creative aspect.
I do feel like it, yeah, because I feel like it more so, rather than having to think and actually put an effort to, like creatively come up with art and like prompts and stuff, it kind of is like you can just jump straight to creating, and while that seems good in the moment, it kind of gets rid of the ability to create properly, and it kind of takes the meaning out of art. That's how I feel anyway.
Do you use AI to enhance your art?
No, never. AI will never be able to enhance photography, especially with film, because it's such a raw art style, and AI might be good in creating images, but it can never capture something that will happen in real time than on the internet.
Okay, so hear me out here. I have before. It's not been to edit photos or to like modify them in any way. It's just been like, if I have a blurry photo, I'll use AI to maybe enhance the quality to make it a better photo.
No, never. I would never do that.
What is your opinion on other artists using AI to generate or improve their art?
I mean, you can just say you have no skill and that you're lazy, but yeah, basically, I don't think it's right. I mean, using AI in general can be good, it can have some benefits, but using it for artwork is such like a lazy thing and not really fitting in that art.
I think if you're improving the art in terms of how I did it, like with quality, improving the photo quality, then it can be pretty good. But if you're just using AI to generate your art piece and then just publishing that, I feel like there's not a lot of creative meaning behind it. Like,
yeah,
you're not like doing the work. Like, it takes away the whole purpose of creating an artwork.
Yeah.
I think it's like something, I feel like AI can be useful. I personally don't use it like at all, but I feel like AI is something that shouldn't be brought into the art space, more so because art is supposed to be like a creative way that people express themselves, and the fact that they're using art like AI to enhance their art kind of feels like it's just taking away from like real art that people like put their time and energy into,
A breakdown of the levels surveyed artists feels that text-to-image software will affect their creative practice in the future. The results show that most of the answers are actually pretty mixed, but a large majority of them say that it will dramatically change their creative practices in a positive way. Just over 1 in 20, 6.6%, believe text-to-image software would dramatically affect their creative practice negatively, around 40% less than those predicting a dramatic positive change. Meanwhile, nearly a tenth, 9%, believe the technology will have no effect on creativity, with just 1 in 100, 1.4%, believing text-to-image software will completely kill creative practices. Artificial intelligence is changing creativity faster than ever before. While some artists believe AI can be used as a tool to improve efficiency and accessibility, others feel it removes emotion, effort, and originality that makes art meaningful. Although AI may continue to evolve, I believe creativity should remain something driven by human expression, not something entirely generated by machines.